It is known as the Great Sea, and here on its shore sit the 2,000-year-old ruins which serve as a testament to a king who dreamed big. Herod the Great ruled Judea at the time of Jesus' birth and is known from the Bible for his ruthless approach towards the news of the birth of the new king. He had no intention of allowing the kingdom he had worked so hard to build to fall into another's hands. It is believed that while visiting Rome, Herod developed a vision of having his own port on the Mediterranean to support trade. He began to fulfill this vision around 20 BC by building an all-weather harbour using hydraulic concrete to create a deep-water port near the Phoenician settlement of Stratton's Tower, a small naval station founded by Stratton I of Sidon. The development provided a safe haven with inner and outer harbours, giving shelter from the wind and waves of the sea. The power of these can be seen in modern pastimes such as windsurfing. Sadly, today the breakwaters of the harbour are 5 metres below the current water surface. Herod built storerooms, market, baths, temples, a palace and imposing public buildings, including an amphitheater and hippodrome, both overlooking the sea. No wonder it took 12 years to build. Named Caesarea in honour of Emperor Augustus, Herod was no doubt trying to ingratiate himself to the Caesar. To help the centre prosper, water was needed, so an aqueduct was built to bring water from the springs at the foot of Mount Carmel 10 kilometres away. Much of the aqueduct still stands along the beach. Caesarea plays an important part in the record of Christian history. It became the capital of the Roman province of Judea in 6 AD, with a population of some 125,000. Pontius Pilate governed from here during the time of Jesus. A stone with the name of Pontius Pilate engraved on it has been found in archaeological diggings, which confirms he was proconsul of Judea. This is the only historical artifact or record to name Pilate outside of the Bible. Other Bible stories include Peter being instrumental in the conversion of Cornelius here, and Paul's 2 years of imprisonment before heading for Rome. The remains today show the magnificence of the city built and the huge Roman influence of this Jewish king in the amphitheater, which would seat about 4,000 and has today been restored and is used for a variety of performances. Other features are the hippodrome, which held about 5,000 people and in its day would have been used for racing and gladiatorial contests. A minaret close to the seashore is a testament to the later Turkish influences in the area. Having been taken and retaken by Muslims and Christians across the years, Caesarea finally fell into disrepair. Today the area is being revitalised thanks to the Rockefellers investing significant funds in restoring the area. The only golf course in Israel can be found in Caesarea. A beautiful coastal haven, still proudly reflecting its majestic history.